Alright, so for this outfit, it's the red skirt and white top two-piece set. Gonna spin now? Spin.
She wants what's that? Smarties?
Yeah, so Smarties should sponsor us.
Smarties. Yep.
Since we have to put them in the video, I give you two. What color is it? Pick two. Hi guys, welcome to Chairs and Benches. I'm Ayoka. And she is my 2-year-old daughter. I've been promising you guys that you guys would meet her, and now is the time. So this is Skye. So just to make this video a little bit more interesting, I actually added a mini clothing haul from AliExpress. I'll insert all the information of the clothes that I purchased in the description below, and I'll be inserting pictures and the details like size and price, etc. So Skye, you excited?
Yes,
Yeah, so Skye really likes clothes and she really likes fashion in real life, like she actually really do. So this is gonna be a fun video. And if she likes it and if you guys like seeing Skye, I might put her in more videos. So comment down below, let us know what you guys think is the best outfit, which one you think fits her or suits her best. And just let us know if you guys are happy to see my new guest. Are you sharing? Ooh, thank you. Can I have the yellow one? Skye.
Okay.
What color is this?
Green.
Green. Okay guys, so Skye is actually very shy on camera. She don't like when I take her pictures at all. Stop? Why? I want a picture. Stop? Okay, fine. Like, it's really hard for me to even post anything on social media of her because she refuses. Yeah, and the clothes in this video is from one store on AliExpress. I'll put the name right here. I tried to just get it from one store, but I was not sponsored for this video, so I'm hoping the next clothing haul that I do will be sponsored. Hint, hint. I'm gonna actually insert pictures of how the model on the website looks and compare it to how it looks on Skye. She's 2, so that way you guys can compare if the model and the picture online looks similar to how it looks in real life. And I'll be also giving you guys the price because you know AliExpress clothes is actually really reasonable. And I'll also give you the size details. So I'll tell you what size I purchased in each outfit, so that way if you are interested in purchasing the same outfit for your daughter, you can go ahead and make a good estimate. All right. So for this outfit, it's a red skirt with a white top. I really like this outfit on the model. So this is how it looks on the model. Looks really nice. And this is how it looks on Skye. All right. So for this outfit, it's the red skirt and white top two-piece set. She's so cute. This is one of my favorite outfits. The price for this outfit was $3.93 Canadian. Oh, she's spinning. The size was 24 months. And in this outfit, this is a black pants that has rips on them, as you can see on the model, and then a white top with the word style. This is super casual summer outfit. Summer outfit. This is how it looks on the model, and then this is how it looks on Skye. This outfit is a two-piece pants and shirt set with the word style on the shirt. This costs $3.82 Canadian. It was in the size 2T. I think this is a nice set. The pants was a bit loose, but that's fine.
Can I get some?
Daddy wants.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
You want the mic? So this outfit is a camouflage skirt and a black shirt with the word New York on it. This is how it looks on the model, and then this is how it looks on Skye. For this outfit is a two-piece set, a camouflage skirt and a black top with the word New York. This cost $4.15 and it was in the size 24 months. This is one of my favorite sets. I don't know, I just love the ones with the skirts. So cute. And then in this outfit, this is a white top, a really classy white top off the shoulders and a denim pants with curls on the foot. This is how it looks on the model. And then this is how it looks on Skye. This outfit is a white top and a denim pants. I bought this for $6.71 in the size 2T. This one is super cute. The top is doing everything for me. I love the top of this outfit.
Go back. Go back.
Go back where?
Masuk dong ya.
Alright.
Say bye.
Bye, YouTube. You're upset? You're upset? Say bye, YouTube. Bye. Yay. There we go. To subscribe.
Now.
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 She said it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10. 17.
18.
19.
Yay! Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Like. Tell him. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.